Hey, what's up? How are you doing? It's me, Torgo Pro. Welcome to our video today. Like what I have in my title below, I want to share with you why I bought a Dell XPS 13. So this laptop arrived today and I was very excited to open it. Back in the office, I opened this one already. As you can see, there are a lot of bubble wraps. And yeah, it's not brand new, but it's new to me. Of course, I like to have a brand new XPS 13, but you know, these laptops are very expensive and my budget doesn't fit. Even this Dell XPS 13 that is used, it's a bit expensive for guys like us. As you know, a couple of weeks ago, I told you that I'm going to go for a laptop replacement of my Xiaomi laptop because it's having a lot of issues. And at first I was looking for a brand new laptop that fits my budget, but with the specifications it's far behind the budget, so I went to a used laptop. Talking about this laptop, let's go back to this Dell XPS. The things I like about this one is how slim it is, because I move a lot and this is very lightweight. So you can see like that. There you go. It's a 13.3 4K IPS display. Well, it's touchscreen, but I'm not a touchscreen user when it comes to Windows. Maybe it will be helpful in some other areas. The processor is i7 8th generation of Intel. It has 8 logical processors compared to the Xiaomi laptop I had that was i5 6th generation. It's a big bump on the processor side with this Dell XPS, and the RAM is 16 gigabyte compared to the previous one that is 8 gigabytes. So it's doubled. With the comparison of the SSD, the previous one is 256 gigabytes and this is a 512 gigabytes. Well, that's a huge bump to the specifications of my previous laptop, and I believe this Dell would deliver the things that I would require to do. I want to thank you guys because the budget we used for this one came out from our YouTube channel, and I'm very blessed, guys. I'm very thankful that we were able to do this one. And without you guys, I will not be able to have the most expensive laptop in my life that I bought. Yeah, this is the most expensive laptop that I bought. The previous one, the Xiaomi, that's a $600 laptop. This one, it's used, but it's around $1,300. In the Philippines, this is 71,000 pesos. Yeah. Well, what I have done here was I just installed a fresh copy of Windows 10 because every time I buy a used laptop or a used PC, it is much better to wipe up everything to make sure that there's nothing left behind there from the previous user, the settings that they are using. And I made this video because maybe some of you would be thinking of buying a new laptop and you might want to consider this Dell XPS 13. And if you want to know more about this, you can drop a comment below. Just so you know, this is 2018 edition. There is already a 2019 and a 2020 coming up. That is the 9th gen and the 10th gen Intel based processors. That's all about our video today. It's a short one. For the real ones out there, give this video a thumbs up because it helps this channel grow. If you are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. We'll have more videos about tech and other tutorials that you can learn from. It's me, Torgo Pro. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.